Alright, hello everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I've got a really neat thing to show you, and it's going to be a super quick tutorial on how to unlock the new character in Risk of Rain 2. I ran through this once before, and I already unlocked the character, but it'll be okay because I should be able to show you guys how to unlock it still. And it'll be super quick and super easy. So what you do is you get one of the other characters. I like the Huntress. She was the easiest for me to unlock it with. And you load in, you jump in here. Make sure you don't play as the robot though, because he doesn't actually spawn in his pod, which is what we need to use. So what you do is you hop on this pod and you see this new thing right here. You just go around the back and you open it and you grab this fuel array. Now, this is a very unique item because you need it in order to unlock the new character. However, there is a catch. If you get hurt while you're wearing this and your health drops below 50%-ish, it's different for everyone. But if it drops below about 50%, it will blow up and then you'll have to start all over again. And so don't do that. We've got to carry this through 4 levels actually, because once we get into the fiery zone that's kind of like hell, that's where we're going to be able to unlock the new character. So I'm going to go ahead and play for a little bit and maybe show you a few clips of it, and we'll just go ahead and jump right into that, and I will catch you again when we are there. So something cool to teach you guys real quick is you can actually just swap the item out, and it just drops as a piece of equipment that you can actually just later pick up if you feel like you could use the extra 50% of your health. And so the important thing is just remember to come back for it, because if you leave and you go through the teleporter without it, you're not going to be able to unlock the new character. So let's just make sure we don't forget it. Oh boy, here's the Beetle Queen. Let's just take her out as fast as we can and get out of here. Ow. That was not fun. That was painful. Let's just run in giant circles away from her, and all of our problems will be solved. Alright, she's almost dead. No, thank you. Nice. Got a good item here. Now we're just gonna wait. Oh, perfect timing. Now remember to grab your equipment. And off to the next level we go. Go ahead and pick up another lunar item, because sometimes they're super useful. The Brittle Crown is probably useful. Sure, why not? Because now we can gain money both from kills and from hitting things. And that is super useful as long as we don't get hit. Ah, perfect. Another temporary shield barrier. I don't know if that'll actually supplement things that are trying to hit us, but we will soon find out. So the more of these that you get, the slower that the shield will fall off, is what it looks like to me. And that is definitely helpful, because it'll let you keep it up for longer, so you'll have essentially more permanent, or more maximum HP for longer. Oh, this is super useful. Let's see if I can get the key to disappear. Ah, nope. I'm not going to do that again because I don't want to risk losing the other turtle. They are very useful and I really enjoy having them. So I am going to try to keep it. Another easy boss. Down and out. Got a second one of those. Alright, let's run over and grab our piece of equipment. And then run on out of here. Actually, we're not done, but it's okay. We will go ahead and run on out of here as soon as we have a chance. Oh, that hurt. That could have been way worse, but that's okay. That was a lot of stacking debuffs on that guy. Alright, here's our equipment piece. So we can be able to just swap things out. Oh boy. Wasted. Oh, it wasn't wasted. Perfect. So we're going to go ahead up here and we're going to fight all these dudes. Take a whole bunch of them out. Give ourselves a whole bunch of shielding. And then we're gonna start this fight. This might be actually really hard. Oh yes, it's this guy. So we grabbed a piece of a quail. That's useful. Alright, let's go get our thing. Oh wait, we need to finish charging the teleporter first. Alright, teleporter's done. Let's go grab our item and then we'll head out. Alright, so if you want some extra money per level, we're gonna go ahead and kill these guys while the thing's still waiting. Looks like they patched that. That used to work. Oh well. Oh wait, so we are finally in the level that we need to be in order to unlock the character. So I will show you that real quick as soon as I grab enough money to grab this item. Alright, perfect. So, once you're in this area, you want to go find the location that has these little jump pads right here. And all you gotta do is jump onto one of these jump pads and jump into the next one. And then you come over here, and hopefully you've gotten enough distance to be able to jump. You should be able to make it normally. And you just repair this guy with the fuel array, which hopefully you haven't died with. So yeah, we'll repair him. He'll make a funky little thing, and he'll be a little grateful and glad that we've helped him out. And then that's it. You'll get an achievement that says that the character's unlocked, and then he's ready to play. And all you need to do is just die and come and play. And then you can play him. Or quit. You can just quit to the main menu. It counts as a death anyway, so it works either way. Alright, well, thank you everybody so much for watching my show, or my little tutorial here. I hope you liked it. Please like it and maybe subscribe if you want to see some more stuff. And go ahead and leave a comment down below. And tell me what you think, and also tell me anything you'd like to see if you're interested in seeing something. Alright, thank you guys.